Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. Today we will start the journey of Java 8 with the topic of behavior parameterization. So let's go for it. So what I have done, I have created a Java program using Java 8 as the GRE system library. As you can see in front of the screen, I am using Java 8 and I have created some classes as well as interfaces. So to start with, um, I will explain with the POJO class that I've created. So I've created a POJO class named Balls. It is having three attributes, namely ball weight, ball name, and ball color. And what I've done, I've just added them and I've created get status for them, and I have provided parameterized constructor for them. So that's related to the POJO class called as balls. So followed by that we have Balls predicate as interface. So Balls predicate interface, basically predicate interface is something that it just contains a method that receives or accepts an argument and also returns an argument that is of Boolean type. So any test condition that needs to be evaluated as either as a true or false, it is contained in the predicate. So what you have to do, you have to just create an interface and you have to just override the built-in method test which is meant for predicate. So Boolean test, what I've done, I've just overrided the test method predicate with as Boolean test. Over here you can see in front of the screen Boolean test balls. So over here what it does, it takes the parameter of the class POJO class and it just returns a Boolean value. Followed by that, I have created two more classes named as balls color predicate and balls weight predicate. So balls color predicate, what it does, balls, as I mentioned in the comment section, you can see balls color predicate created for testing balls color. So the purpose of this class is that following the solid principles, it is meant only to test the color of the balls. We can test only the colors. Currently I'm comparing as white colors, but there might be some cases about some other colors also. One or more group of balls that belong to that color category, it will return as true. So I have overridden the test method over here. I've taken the POJO class and I have written all the balls that belong to the white color. Followed by that, I have the balls weight predicate class. Yeah, then this, as I mentioned in the comment section, that it's here mentioned for creating ball weight. So what this class is meant for? It just takes the implements the balls predicate and it provides a complete implementation details to the test method for testing the balls according to the weight. Some balls might be of some uh, weight, be 100, 200, 300, 400, and so on and so forth. What type, as you can think of. So some might be 100, 200. So I've considered a test case for 200. So what this class will do? This class will return all the balls that are more than 200 grams and above weight. So for testing purpose, we are considered here as grams because as a unit. Now let's go to the main class, that is balls color, that is ball behavior parameter demo. I need to say. So in this class, as you can see, I have created a list of balls and this is just nothing but listen arrays as list, and I have included all the balls that I need to create and given the weight and also the color for different balls. So currently I've considered the cricket ball, and it's the now to be specific, I've considered only the ball that is used for test cricket, that is white color ball. So and also according to the net sources I saw, it's roughly around 163 grams. So my new object comes as 163 as the weight. The name of the ball is cricket ball and the color as white. Followed by that, I have a rugby ball. It is nearly 1 kg. So in grams, if you consider, it is roughly 1000 grams. And the color of that rugby ball is usually brown. Also, again, we have soccer as ball. It is white color is considered majorly because we have soccer balls at white color. So consider the weight as 450 grams and soccer ball, and the color is white. Followed by that, I have volleyball as an object. Volleyball, the weight is usually 280 grams or more, and you the specification of volleyball, it's multicolor. It's not so specific color. You can have multiple, usually two or more colors combined to make a volleyball. So followed by that, I have created a list. So what we need to do is that if you want to filter the ball according to some predicate that you have designed, so as I showed in the program, I had created a separate predicate for the weight parameter and a separate predicate for the color parameter. So I've just uh, created a filter balls as a method to return the balls according to the predicate that are assigned. So this is the method that filters balls according to the predicate assigned. So as you can see here, this is I've created a static method named filter balls. What it does, it accepts the balls, it accepts the balls list and the balls predicate. So here we have considered the interface because runtime and can pass the balls by weight predicate and balls by color predicate. So I have mentioned here the only the balls predicate. So it creates a list and it iterates using the for each loop, and if it gets matched for that predicate, then we just add the um, resultant into the list and we return the list. That's the only purpose of this class, of this method, that is filter balls. So here you just create the list, use the for each for, and in just here the condition is main. It tests the predicate. As you can see, there are separate predicates both for the color and as well as the weight. So it will test separately for the colors as well as weight. So what I've done, I created get balls by weight as one list, and I just call the method and I get a list in return, as you can see in the as a resultant list. And I will to apply filter according to the color. So I will just call the balls colors predicate, and I will call my method. It will take the list and the predicate class, and it will just show me the um, color list of balls belonging to that specific color. So mind you, I have taken for example for the white color over here, and for the weight predicate I have taken an example of balls greater than 200 grams. So let's see what in returns I shall get. I'll just run the program, clicking on the mend method. Yeah, as you can see the output in front of the screen, the balls by weight predicate result is balls. We have ball weight is 1000, 450 to 80. Here you can see that